Properly adding Mailchimp to the Big Cartel in 2023 is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, go to Mailchimp.com, and after that, you need to sign up for a free or paid account. In your Mailchimp account, click Integrations and then Find an integration. Search for Big Cartel and click Connect. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between your Big Cartel and Mailchimp accounts. Now, choose which Big Cartel customer data you want to sync with Mailchimp. Embed Mailchimp sign-up forms on your Big Cartel website to capture leads. Set up automated email campaigns based on customer actions like purchases or abandoned carts. Use Mailchimp's templates and tools to create professional email campaigns that promote your Big Cartel shop. Segment your audience to send targeted emails based on customer preferences and purchase history. Now, track your email performance and optimize your campaigns for better results. View and manage your Big Cartel customer data with Mailchimp. Segment your subscribers into different lists for targeted marketing. Use Mailchimp's data analysis tools to track customer behavior and improve your marketing strategies.